As I said before, when I see a square in the denominator, I try this, right? I try this. This, and then I create this square in the denominator. Same time that I'll try to make it possible by parts, But unfortunately, this method here, it doesn't work. So I have to change the strategy. I change it to this. I change it to the derivative of x over e to the x. Well, this one doesn't work. I try this. Then this one is equal to e to the 2x, right? And the e to the x minus x to the e to the x dx. So finally, this one equal to cancel with the ex is 1 minus x e to the x dx. Okay, good. Here, because this one is not easy, I try to change the integrand to something, which is good, either using by parts or using some other possible way to do it. So I try this. It becomes this, right? And then I try to create something like that. Now here, if I take e to the x out, it becomes e to the 2x, isn't it? It becomes 1 minus x to the... Good. This one I have. And at the same time that dx, I must always keep the maintaining the equal sign. Okay. Then this one equal to... You see, when I have this, that means my variable is x over e to the x. X over e to x. So here, you see, I can have a 1 minus x to the e to the x. This will be x squared, x times their common factor, right? I take x out. And the other one is x minus 1 e to the x. Yeah, good. I try to create as many of this as possible. Okay, very good. Okay, then look, this this is just native of that. So it becomes that x over e to the x. This is negative d x to e to the x. Correct? X minus 1, 1 minus x. So this is... See, that is really good because I changed the integrand into something which is x over e to x is a basic variable. So when I let the u be x e to the x, then everything is okay. Becomes u negative, right? Take a negative du. This is 1 minus a u square. See, that becomes a very simple integral. Yeah. How do we read this one? Of course, partial fraction. Negative. This is 1 minus u squared, right? And this is a. plus y minus ub, right? This you must be familiar with. So determine a and b is easily. A is 1, b is negative 1. So a is 1, b is negative 1. Excuse me to omit the detail, but you know how to do it. You know how to find AB. So this one is equal to this one is easy, right? This is 1 over minus u, and this negative, positive, and this becomes negative, negative again, log of 1 minus u. Yeah, and then you replace this becomes 1 minus e to the x over x minus natural log of 1 minus x to the x. And then you simplify, simplify becomes e. Wait a minute. I copied wrong. Huh? This is x over e to the x. I'm sorry. It's x over e to the x, yeah. So then this becomes e to the x minus x, right? This is this becomes a natural log e to the x minus x. Log e to x is x, right? Yeah, good. That is my result. See, techniques of integration is very important. Sometimes it's just a matter of a little trick. So you must be good at everything: algebra, trigonometry, functions, chain rule, or whatever. The basic rules. Thank you.